Hello, Jose. Thank you for your time. This is Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. So the point of this video is a couple things. One is to give you some tips and tricks you could use on your website to increase your online traffic, your leads, and your business. And secondly is to compare your website to a local competitor's website in the area, see if those tips and tricks could outrank them, get you on the first page of Google, which increase your traffic and your leads. So I'll talk about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. And whatever I use here, they're free tips to you could use on your own. But if you want to talk about that or anything else, please feel free to reach out. So otherwise, let's talk about these steps. So first is your content. So on your homepage, you need anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words. Just depending on the competition, number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google, looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what you want your website to be found for. So right now, you got a nicely laid out website here. It says, contacting you, your portfolio, your services. So nicely laid out website. But one thing I would just add to have more visibility on Google is to increase your content and your words. So speaking of Google, if I would type this in looking for you, I might type this in, garage door repair, Lewisville, Texas. So this is a keyword. Here's what typically comes up. Ads come up here. This is a good investment if you haven't done this already. It's a good way to increase your online traffic to outbeat these competitors, to optimize those ads. Second is the map pack here. I'll talk more about that in a minute. But we call these organics right here. So the goal is to organically be at the top of the page as much as you can for any kind of service you provide for or area you provide for as well. So right now your top competitor is this Action Garage Door. So I'll compare your website to his, and even if you get close to him, if you get close to this website, you could outrank some of these competitors as well to be on this first page. And being on the first page of Google just leads to more leads to increase your business. So to do that comparison, there's a tool here we use called Ahrefs. So again, here's your website. So here's a tool we use called Ahrefs, and here's your URL. So here's your numbers. So as I said with content, keywords, that gives Google the electricity and power to be found for your business to be found for. So right now you're using 2 keywords here. So that's one thing I would definitely increase on your website, is just your keywords. So here's 2 keywords, and there's many more keywords you could use to increase your online traffic and your leads as well. So here's the top competitor's website right here. So here's their website, and here's their long URL there in a Lewisville subpage here. But here's their numbers. So right now they're using 13 keywords. So this keyword is giving them a little bit more traffic, a little bit more visibility, and that's what gets them on the top of the page there. Great thing about keywords, you don't have to recreate the wheel. As long as these keywords apply to you, you can put them on your website, you optimize those, you get that same search volume. You want to have more volume, more bang for your buck, and that's how you start outranking competitors in your area for those services. So second is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere where one website is linked to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses that to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you. It's also like a popularity contest. Person with the most backlinks wins, but keeping in mind not all backlinks are created equal. So it's not always about the quantity of backlinks, it's about the quality. So you want to have good, strong backlinks. So right now you don't have any backlinks to your website. But what you could do here is just compare that to your local competitor here, which is them, and see what they have. They have 2 backlinks and 2 reference domains. So even though this is a long subpage, they actually have a lot more backlinks. That's giving them some power. This is their trust over time, and this is their immediate trust. But if you increase your backlinks, get closer to these numbers, to this traffic, compared to the traffic you're getting here, you're going to get closer to getting those leads for some of those top competitors. Then finally, there's citation. So citation is anywhere where your business name, number, and your address are shown exactly on your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. So the goal is you want to be in the top 3 here. Much like on pages 2 or 3 of Google, people don't click for more services. Typically people won't click this button for more places, more businesses. So you want to be in the top 3 here. And to do that, you increase your citations with directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, hundreds of others you probably heard of. Also, social media accounts are great here too. So the idea here is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors right here, the more likely it is you outrank above them. So once your content, your backlinks, and your citations come together, you start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at, why that's worth it, to be in the eyes of consumers here, in the map pack, and appear organically for all the services that you do and all the areas you provide for. Also, as I said, there's many more keywords you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So this is what I do. I create this for you to start thinking about those leads yourself online. But if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out. I could help you out with that, give you some more information, or we just talk about goals, and I could do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So if you just give me like a line of feedback on this video, that's how I'll get better at making these, what you like about it or what you change about it. Again, I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. And thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Much luck in your business. Have a great day.